Why are thousands of international patients traveling to India every year for knee replacement surgery? Is it only because of affordability or is there more to the story? Today, let's understand why India has become one of the leading destinations for advanced orthopedic care. Before starting, let's understand why a knee replacement is done. Knee replacement surgery is commonly recommended for patients suffering from severe joint pain, arthritis, stiffness, or reduced mobility that affect everyday life. When medications, physiotherapy, and lifestyle changes no longer provide relief, surgery may become the only option. So, why do patients choose India for knee replacement surgery? First, advanced orthopedic expertise. India is home to highly experienced orthopedic surgeons who perform a large number of knee replacement procedures every year, including complex and revision surgeries. Second, cost-effective treatment. One of the biggest reasons international patients choose India is affordability. Knee replacement surgery in India is often significantly more cost-effective compared to other countries without compromising on quality of care. Third, modern technology and infrastructure. Many hospitals in India offer robotic-assisted knee replacement, minimally invasive techniques, advanced imaging and diagnostics, and dedicated rehabilitation programs. These technologies help improve precision, recovery, and patient outcomes. Fourth, reduced waiting time. In several countries, patients may wait months for surgery. In India, consultations, evaluations, and surgery scheduling are often much faster, allowing patients to receive timely treatment. Fifth, comprehensive international patient support. Many hospitals provide dedicated international patient services, including visa assistance, airport transfer, language support, and personalized treatment coordination, recovery, and outcomes. With proper rehabilitation and post-surgical care, many patients experience improved mobility, reduced pain, better quality of life, and faster return to daily activities. Recovery timelines may vary depending on age and overall health. So, to conclude, choosing the right hospital and surgical team is one of the most important decisions in knee replacement surgery. India continues to attract patients from all around the world because of its combination of expertise, technology, affordability, and patient-focused care. The right treatment can help patients move toward a more active and pain-free life. Thank you.